GED Science, Life Science, Biology, Complete Version. Introduction to Life Science. Welcome to the Life Science section of the GED Science Study Guide. In this part, we will learn about living things, how the body works, how traits are passed down, how life changes over time, and how organisms interact with their environment. Everything will be explained in simple language to help you understand and remember the information easily. Let's begin. Please subscribe to Easy Life Studio for more helpful content like this. Section A. Cells and Organization. What is a cell? A cell is the smallest living unit of life. All living things are made of cells, including humans, animals, plants, and microorganisms. You can think of a cell as a tiny building block of life. Why cells are important? Cells are important because they keep living things alive. They help the body grow. They repair damaged parts. They carry out daily life functions. If cells stop working properly, the body cannot survive. Basic parts of a cell. The cell membrane is like a skin around the cell. It protects the cell and controls what enters and leaves. The cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance inside the cell. It holds the cell parts in place and is where many activities happen. The nucleus is the control center of the cell. It contains DNA and tells the cell what to do. If you see the words control center on the GED test, the correct answer is nucleus. How cells help the body. Different cells have different jobs. Muscle cells help you move. Nerve cells help you think and react. Blood cells carry oxygen. Skin cells protect your body. Each cell has a specific role. Plant cells and animal cells. Plant and animal cells are similar because they both have a nucleus, cytoplasm, and a cell membrane. Plant cells have extra parts that animal cells do not have. These include a cell wall and chloroplasts. Chloroplasts allow plants to make their own food using sunlight. Animals cannot make their own food, so they must eat plants or other animals. Plants are food makers. Animals are food eaters. Tissues, organs, and systems. Cells work together in levels of organization. Cells form tissues. Tissues form organs. Organs form systems. Examples of organs include the heart, lungs, and stomach. Organ systems work together to keep the body alive and functioning properly. The correct order is cells, tissues, organs, and systems. Please subscribe to Easy Life Studio for more helpful content like this. Section B. Human Body Systems. Digestive System. The digestive system breaks down food so the body can use it for energy, growth, and repair. Food enters the mouth and moves to the stomach. It is broken down into nutrients. Nutrients enter the blood, and waste leaves the body. Digestion is important because it provides energy. Respiratory system. The respiratory system helps you breathe. You breathe in oxygen. Oxygen goes into the lungs and then into the blood. You breathe out carbon dioxide. Oxygen is needed to release energy from food. Circulatory system. The circulatory system moves blood throughout the body. The heart acts as a pump. Blood carries oxygen and nutrients to cells and removes waste. Good circulation is necessary for survival. Nervous system. The nervous system controls the body. It includes the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. It sends messages that help you think, move, and react. It also helps you respond quickly to danger and pain. Immune system. The immune system protects the body from germs and disease. White blood cells fight harmful bacteria and viruses. A healthy immune system keeps the body strong and resistant to illness. A weak immune system makes the body more likely to get sick and recover slowly. Immunity is important for long-term health. Please subscribe to Easy Life Studio for more helpful content like this. Section C. Genetics and Heredity. DNA Basics. DNA is found inside cells. It acts like an instruction manual for the body. DNA controls growth, development, and traits. It is located in the nucleus of the cell. Genes and traits. Genes are small sections of DNA. They determine traits such as eye color, hair type, and height. Genes come from both parents and affect how we look and function. Dominant and recessive traits. Dominant traits appear more often and only need one copy to show. Recessive traits need two copies to appear. If a dominant gene is present, it usually controls the trait. Inheritance patterns. Each parent provides one set of genes. Children receive a mix of genes from both parents. This is why siblings can look different even though they have the same parents. Please subscribe to Easy Life Studio for more helpful content like this. Section D. Evolution and Natural Selection. Adaptation. Adaptation is a trait that helps an organism survive in its environment. Examples include thick fur for warmth or sharp teeth for hunting. Adaptations increase survival chances. Survival of the fittest. Survival of the fittest does not mean the strongest. It means organisms best suited to their environment survive and reproduce. Helpful traits are passed to future generations. Fossil evidence. Fossils are remains or traces of plants and animals that lived long ago. They form when organisms are buried by sediment and preserved over long periods of time. Fossils show how life has changed and support the idea of evolution. Please subscribe to Easy Life Studio for more helpful content like this. Section E. Ecosystems and Environment. Food chains and food webs. A food chain shows how energy moves from one organism to another. Plants are producers. Animals are consumers. Decomposers break down dead organisms. A food web is made of many connected food chains. Energy flow. Most energy comes from the sun. Plants use sunlight to make food. Animals get energy by eating plants or other animals. Energy flows in one direction and decreases at each level. Population growth. A population is a group of the same species living in one area. Population size depends on food, space, birth rate, and death rate. Overpopulation leads to limited resources and competition. Human impact on ecosystems. Humans affect ecosystems through pollution, deforestation, and climate change. Humans can also protect ecosystems by recycling, conserving water, and reducing pollution. Small actions can make a big difference. Please subscribe to Easy Life Studio for more helpful content like this. Final key takeaways. Living things are made of cells. Body systems work together to keep us alive. Traits are passed from parents to children. Living things adapt over time. Energy flows through ecosystems. Human actions affect the environment. End of Life Science. This completes the Life Science section of the GED Science Study Guide. You are now prepared to move on to the next part of GED Science. Please subscribe to Easy Life Studio for more helpful content like this.